Hey, what's up? It's Coach Tony here from Fort Worth Fit Buddy Boot Camp. I have Miss Carmen here. She is our fit grandma. She actually has 21 grandkids.
20.
Oh, 20 grandkids. So she has been coming here for over 4 years.
Yes.
And so why did you start to come to Fit Body?
Well, I didn't like the way I was looking. I didn't like the way I was feeling. And I was looking for some place to work out. I went to several places, and when I found Fit Body, I stayed here. I said, this is my home. I love it. I love the people. I love the coaches. I love everything about it. I love the 30 minutes. I did leave for 6 months because I couldn't stay, problems, whatever, but after 6 months, I was missing the place. I'm addicted to this place. I had to come back, and so I'm back, and I'm not going anywhere.
And so what keeps you coming day after day?
It's just the encouragement, the motivation, the coaches, the people. I mean, y'all care about us. You care about us, the coaches care, and I love all y'all.
Love you. So what would you say about our community here?
Our community, it's the best. I mean, people, you need to come. People don't like, you may not like the way you look or the way you feel or whatever, but you know what? People are here to help you, everybody.
Yes.
I mean, clients, coaches, everybody's here to help you.
And so what would you say your biggest gains would be coming to Fit Body Boot Camp?
The biggest gain is I'm a fit grandma.
Yes.
And I'm staying a fit grandma.
Yeah. Somebody in the session today looked at her and said, man, are you ever strong? So I'm so proud of you, and I appreciate you.
I love y'all.
So if you were someone's watching this video and they're like, I can't do it, boot camp, I can't do it, what would you say to encourage them?
Yes, you can.
Yes.
I can do it. I did the same thing. When I started here, I could only do 2 push-ups and not even 2 full push-ups. And now, hey, it's a piece of cake.
Piece of cake, rock and
Hey,
rolling.
you can do it.
Awesome. Appreciate you.